Hello, welcome to Digital Hello online digital marketing classes and digital marketing services. Today I am going to help you how to create your repair and services business in Google. First, suppose if you are providing repair and services of home appliances like AC, refrigerator, washing machine, and microwave oven. If you want to promote your business in Google and like you want to show your ads in Google, how? Now I am going to create that campaign. Just follow me. First of all, go to ads.google.com. You will log into your Gmail ID and click here switch to expert mode. Actually, this is Kannada video, but I don't know Kannada. So that is the reason I'm going to create in English. Just follow my steps if you are unable to understand my language. Here click create an account without a campaign. You just follow my steps. I'll help you how to create a campaign for your business. Submit. If you are unable to create your campaigns, just like ping me back. In the video description, I am going to show my mobile number. You just call me. I'll help you how to create. But it is a paid service, not a free service. Okay. Click new campaign. Sales. Search. We need website visits as well as mobile number, calls, right? So choose both. Click on continue. In order to create Google Ads, it is better if we have any laptop or tab. In mobile, it will be little bit difficult to create campaigns in mobile. That is the reason I am saying. Click on continue. It will take little bit longer time than expected. Give name of the campaign. Deselect both of these two and choose the location where you want to show your ads. I am going to select two locations. First one, Bangalore. Okay. Second one, Gulbarga. Third one, Mysore. We can add n number of locations to show our ads. Click on Mysore. Okay. Click on save. Scroll down. Here deselect English. It means all languages. Here you have to give your daily budget. How much you want to spend daily. Say something 500, 300, 1000, 5000 like that. For suppose for this campaign I'm just giving sample 2000 rupees. Here bidding strategy, this is very important, depends on your competition. You have to give little bit more. Click on, see, I again show you, click on select a bid strategy directly, which is not recommended by Google, but this will help us. Choose maximize clicks option. Set a maximum cost per limit. You can keep 30 rupees, 40 rupees, whatever it is, but your Google will charge less than or equal to 45 rupees, but not beyond 45 rupees. Okay, this is maximum amount which we are going to pay to Google for each and every click. Add group name. I'm going to create washing machine campaign, so I'm writing washing machine. Here washing repairs. Washing machine technician. Washing machine mechanic. You see, don't enter brand names like LG, IFB, Samsung, whatever it is. Don't enter. Like this, you can add 10,000 keywords. But I am stopping here because this is just for sample, right? That's why. Here you can able to see average cost per click. It is showing 87.87 rupees. Means for every click, Google is charging 87 rupees because we are targeted very high competition areas, which is Bangalore kind of that. So that is the reason. If you are selecting 2 tier cities or 3 tier cities, it might be less than 20 rupees per click. You will get good number of calls. Save and continue. See, if you are unable to create a campaign, just call me back. I'll charge some amount and I will create a campaign for you. This is the type of ad. Just click on cancel because I want to create a ad which is able to show only in mobiles. Save and continue. It will show some red color and orange color. No problem, nothing will happen. Just click on publish. After that, you have to create an ad. So in the left side option, you can able to see ads and extensions. Click on ads. See, in order to create a campaign, we just need few things. First one, mobile number. Second one, mail ID. Third one, website. Here, for sample, I took one website. In this website, we mentioned all our services, mobile number, and our address. Those all kind of things we already mentioned. So this is very mandatory. If for suppose, if you have any location verified in Google Maps, that is also fine. Okay, but some link is important. So I am taking this as sample. I will create ads by using this website. Okay, here we clicked on ads, right? Click on ad. Choose call ad, which is call ad will display only on mobiles, not in desktops. United States, India. We have to choose the location. Enter mobile number. That mobile number should pakka display on website. Then only we can able our ad will approve. See, both are same, header number and footer number. That's why I copied from there. Okay, I'm just pasting here. Here you have to paste your website URL. Copy this and paste it here. Washing machine repair services. This is the headline. See, whatever the things I am adding here, you are able to see in on my right side, right? See, I added washing machine repair, right? Here I added mobile number, right? You are able to see here. Now I am adding headline. See, you will able to see headline one as here. Washing machine repairs near me. Something keyword like that. Local washing machine. Sorry, technician. Other mechanic. It is limited, no, 30 characters. We should write within the limits. Here enter your business name, Sai Techno Services, Lalita Techno Services, something, whatever your business, Anjali Services, whatever it is. Here write some description. You are able to see right here, washing machine repairs, this one headline. Now we are going to write a description one, right? You can able to see here that one as well. We do washing machine repairs near me in Bangalore or in Mysore, like that you can write by expert technicians at your doorstep. At your doorstep. We solve all issues of all brands and all kinds at best price. We can add one more thing. We offer same day service. So we can write here, we offer same day service. Okay, done now. So here we can able to see complete thing. The advantage of this ad, customer able to search this only on mobiles. If he click on this ad, he can our number can go directly onto his screen, I mean dial pad, so that he can call us directly. If he wants to visit our website, then he needs to click on this particular link, then only he can able to access our website, else he can call us directly. Just click on save ad, that's it. It will take some time, some minimum 15 minutes it is if it is business hours. Okay, If it is between 9 to 6 9 a.m. to 6 p.m., then it will approve within 15 minutes. If it is non-business hours, it will take some 4 to 5 hours. That's it. One here I can able to show you like complete overview. These are the keywords which we targeted. This is the ad copy. Okay, it's under review. These are the targeted locations. We see we created Mysore, what we call Bangalore, and here you can able to see Mysore, Bangalore, and Gulbarga. Like this we can able to check here. If you got any, if you want to know how many clicks you got, you have to check here how many impressions you got, how much you spent, how much it is average cost per click. You can find complete details here. Okay. Okay, I'm going one more thing. This is my YouTube channel. I used to release videos regularly. If you have any doubt, kindly if you like my video, kindly subscribe and follow us. Okay. uh, for every video I used to provide my mobile number in video description. See, I am providing my mobile number in every video description, either in comments or in video description, somewhere else, but pakka I will provide my mobile number. Okay. Okay, if you like my video, kindly subscribe. See you guys, bye.